When they say I don't blow, oh, the other, who they greet? Who they greet? I don't move. I made it. All these guys who they get to me, I tell you. This is the game. This is.
Oh, you guys are fucking strong.
And I can't be strong from the street one man. I might need to know from the street. I can't be. What am I regret for? This is the game. It's bound to happen. This is just the beginning of tears. Relax. More.
Okay guys, welcome back to the Big Brother NAIJA Season 6 Shine Your Eye. It's another section, and this section has been so emotional. In fact, it's now that the house meeting that the game has started. Okay, it's no longer news that the two wildcard has nomination privilege to nominate those that they want to pick for possible eviction on Sunday. Okay guys, Maria was the first person to go into the diary section to pick and to nominate those that she feels they want to pick up for the possible eviction. In my opinion, I feel this is the point whereby we'll get to know their strategy. Any one of them that came in with a strategy. Now, when you are asked to nominate, are you nominating those you are fighting with, or those that are less privileged, or you're nominating those you feel they are competitors in the game, so that you stand a chance or higher chance to win the game? Let's see whom Maria actually picked as, or whom Maria actually nominated for possible eviction this Sunday.
Kindly confirm your nominations.
Beatrice, J. Paul, WhiteMoney, and Giannis.
Okay, she actually picked Beatrice. I'm not surprised though. She picked Beatrice. She picked J. Paul. I'm not surprised either. She picked Earrings. I'm not surprised as well. But the one that was shocking to me was the last person she called, which was WhiteMoney. I thought they were brothers and they were all clinging together, the whole brother thing, Igbo thing. I was actually shocked, sincerely, that she picked. So these were the 4 persons she picked, as each of them were asked to pick just 4 persons for the possible eviction on Sunday. Here comes Pere. Pere was asked to nominate 4 persons, and to my shock, to my surprise, these 2 persons, both Pere and Maria, they picked the same person, which still are, except for one, which still are Beatrice, we have J. Paul, we have WhiteMoney. And the only difference there was now knee. So in place of earrings, Pere picked knee. I'm like, wow.
Pere.
Yes, Big Brother.
Kindly give Big Brother the last name now.
WhiteMoney.
It was hard for them, seriously, because they had a minute to cry, like to really think, a lot of sobbing. But now their eyes have cleared. Really shine your eyes. Now they know that the game game has started. Okay, Big Brother in the lounge actually called these 4 persons up for possible eviction, which is Beatrice, Earrings, WhiteMoney, and Knee. Big Brother called these 4 up, that they should stand up. These are the 4 persons up for possible eviction. And now here comes the HOH, which is the head of house for this week, in person of Boma. Boma actually won the HOH for this week. Congratulations to you, Boma. We're proud of you. Keep making us happy. Keep being the first to enter into the house, the first male HOH for the season 6 Shine Your Eyes of the Big Brother. Yeah. Boma actually has a privilege, which is a power confided in him as the HOH, a victor power, to pick one person and replace with another person. And then with the power, it was hard for him, but he had to drop down J. Paul, okay, which was initially picked by Maria and Pere. So he dropped J. Paul and picked Yusuf.
Head of house.
Yes, Big Brother.
Kindly confirm your veto.
J. Paul, Yusuf.
Now the question is he seeing Yusuf as a competitor, or he and Yusuf had issues, or why did he pick Yusuf? We'll get to know later as the show unravels. Okay guys, we have these 4 persons up for possible eviction on Sunday. There are 5 actually. We have J. Paul, we have Nii, we have Yusuf, and we have WhiteMoney, and we have Beatrice.
To the rest of the House, this week's nominees are Beatrice, Yerins, Nii, WhiteMoney, Yusuf. This means at least one of the nominees will be evicted during.
Yeah guys, this is this for the eviction show. Let's take glue, please. Vote and keep your favorite housemate from those 5 persons back on seat in the house, please. For me, my earrings goes nowhere. I like that voice. It's my heart crush. Find your own too. Okay guys, until next time, stay glued to this channel, your favorite and your #1 YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. If you're watching my video for the very first time, do well to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and turn on your notification bell so that as I drop new content, you will have the privilege to see them and watch them. Be the first to watch, okay? Comment, let's vibe, let's roll together. Until next time guys, stay glued.